Let humanity rise above the darkness that has plagued us for centuries. Let us cast off the shackles of greed, hatred, and ignorance that have held us back from our true potential. Let us embrace the light of love, compassion, and wisdom that will guide us towards a brighter future. We are capable of so much more than we realize. We have the power to create a world where peace reigns supreme, where all beings are treated with kindness and respect. We have the ability to heal the wounds that have been inflicted upon our planet and upon each other. It is time for us to awaken to our true nature as divine beings, as children of the universe. We are not mere mortals bound by the limitations of our physical bodies. We are immortal souls, eternal and unchanging. We are the stars that light up the night sky, the creatures that dance in the eternal dance of creation. We are the very essence of existence, the energy that flows through all things. Let us remember who we truly are and embrace our power to create a world of beauty, harmony, and abundance. Let us join together in love and unity, working towards a common goal of peace and prosperity for all. We are the architects of our own destiny, the creators of our own reality. Let us choose to build a world that reflects the highest aspirations of our souls, a world where love is the guiding force and joy is the natural state of being. Let us cast off the chains of fear and doubt that have held us back for so long. Let us step into our power as divine beings, knowing that we have the ability to shape our own reality and create a world of infinite possibilities. We are the children of gods, the inheritors of a legacy of love and light. Let us honor that legacy by living our lives in alignment with the highest truths of our souls, by choosing love over fear, by choosing unity over division. Let us be the change that we wish to see in the world, the beacons of light that guide others towards a brighter future. Let us shine our light brightly, knowing that we are the creators of our own reality and the architects of our own destiny. Let humanity be free of parasites, wars, and sicknesses. Let us be joyful, strong, and wise. Let us create peace, live lovingly, and embrace abundance. Let us remember who we truly are and step into our power as divine beings. Let us be the change that we wish to see in the world, knowing that we are the architects of our own destiny and the creators of our own reality.